Hello, and welcome to another update video about PEPE. On the PEPE chart, we can identify a possible sideways triangle that is the same triangle that we can see on many other crypto charts at the moment. These patterns typically represent indecision, and it's not entirely clear at this stage whether there will be another low or whether we've bottomed already. I would not rule out that a low has actually formed, but it will depend to a degree on Bitcoin, which currently suggests further downside is to come. At least the floor is creaking. And of course, Bitcoin hasn't broken support. I talked about that in the last Bitcoin video. So there is a resistance area. Should that be broken, I think the altcoins could start to recover. I mean, don't get me wrong. The altcoins have completed most of their corrections. That's my opinion. That's what I've been communicating in the last few days and weeks. But one more low could happen. I can't tell you it will, because some of these reactions to the support regions, and by the way, most of these support regions are actually still holding, right, on the altcoin charts. But the reaction to the support regions on most charts has been quite substantial, but without any further upside continuation at this stage, which suggests we have to be ready for potentially another low. But whether we get another low or not, I can't promise that additional low to you. So we have some very clear levels to watch, however. Okay, so if, for example, the white scenario is unfolding, which is the short-term bullish one in this case, a larger decree wave 4 correction already bottomed here on the 20th of December, then this is a 1-2 setup with already communicated before, communicated that before, between 154,226 and 175,210. As long as we're holding above 154,226, it is absolutely possible that a low has already formed, and this is just a wave 2, which, yeah, I mean, it might be an WXY structure. Maybe that B wave is a triangle. Okay, that's just something to consider. But if we break here below the previous low at 170,800, it could indicate we go lower. But then we have to watch these previous support levels, or let's say Fibonacci support for the white scenario. As long as it's holding, the overall upside continuation could actually, well, upside move could continue. Maybe I should rather say it like that. Below 154,226, however, one more low is likely happening. And that would be very much in line with the idea of an Elliott wave triangle in wave 4. So the wave 4 would be part of that short-term bearish scenario. In this case, a local third wave bottomed on the 20th of December. This is like an A, B, C, D, E. Triangle could be complete in wave E. That's typically how these are counted. And then we might see a break down or one more low. And PEPE still has space, right? I can recognize here the micro counts quite well on this chart, which makes it quite a clear pattern at the moment. Again, one more low would likely lead to a test of 142,406. Below that level, we've got 123,969, both relevant levels where this wave 5 of C could end. But yeah, when can we say that white is leading? So first of all, support needs to hold, upper micro support. But once we get a break above that, what I've labeled white wave 1 at 198,050, well, we might say a low has actually already formed and we're breaking out higher to the upside. And then we can also add some targets once we have an established low. For now, I think, so main takeaway is PEPE is still in an overall bullish structure. This is the main support area between 123,969 and 163,585. But the market might form one more low because there is still space in the yellow scenario. But if we get a break above that white wave 1 high, I will probably assume that the low has actually formed. Okay, I mean, that strong reaction is a heads up that the bulls might take the lead, but I need some further upside continuation to confirm it. That's the update about PEPE. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.